is Archana. This is my family. This is grandfather Balakrishnan. This is my grandmother Shanti. This is my father Deepan Chakravarti. This is my mother Sandhya. This is sister name is Mahalakshmi. This is brother name is Haridarshan. My name is Ruksida. My family. My family. My grandfather Kannaiya. My grandmother Soundaram. My father is Mogan. My mother Sitrai Chelvi.
Very good.
My sister is Mahalakshmi. Brother is Udit. I am Diya. This is my family. This is my grandfather Segar. This is my grandmother Indrani. This is my father Ramalingam. This is my mother Ilakya. This is my sister Maga. This is my brother Deekshan.
மௌலி மேம் சொல்றதா அப்படியே திருப்பி சொல்றியா? I am Maulika.
I am Maika.
This is my family.
This is my family.
This is my grandfather.
This is
Grandfather.
This is my family.
He is Arumugam.
Arumugam.
Very good. Next. This is inga va. This is my grandmother.
This is my grandmother.
She is Kalyani. This is my father.
This is my father.
He is Vadivelu. He is Vadivelu. She is my mother. She is Kayalvili. This is my sister. Tirukurali. This is my brother. Arivalagan. Good. Thank you. Thank you சொல்லுங்க.
Thank you.
Very good.
My Pritika.
My Pritika.